Hello friend, myself Gauraman Ghosh. Kindly subscribe the channel Gauraman Ghosh channel that will help you in learning class 12 CBSE systems. It is very essential for you to get the various video teaching on mathematics of class 12. Kindly subscribe the channel. Now in this section we discuss about one of the important properties in inverse of matrices, that is AB are two matrices given such that two matrices given A and B are the two matrices given which are invertible. Then you show that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse and A inverse. So here A and B product is given, then first you find the product, then find the inverse. That will equal to the B inverse and A inverse product. The theorem or question is A and B are the two invertible matrices. Then show that AB whole inverse equal to B inverse and A inverse. So you see here given that A and B are two invertible matrices. If they are invertible, then A inverse and B inverse exist. Then as per the definition inverse, A into A inverse A equal to identity, that is equation 1. For second case, B into B inverse B equal to I matrices, that is the equation number 2. Again, A and B are the invertible matrices, then A into B also invertible matrices. A and B are invertible, so it is must be A and B also invertible. If invertible, then AB whole inverse is exist. If inverse exists, as per the inverse, then AB matrix into its inverse, AB inverse into AB matrix equal to identity. This is the definition of matrix. So you take from here AB into AB inverse equal to I. Now you see from AB whole inverse I, we left multiply A inverse. So this side you multiply A inverse and this side multiply, that is, you see here A inverse AB whole inverse A inverse I. Now apply the associative properties here. Then what happened? A inverse A will come, then B will be single and otherwise same. So here we apply the associative property to become here. You see here A inverse A from equation number 1 or by the inverse part, this will be the I. This will be I. Then remaining are same with this. These are same. So, or see the equation number 1, that will be AB, A inverse A will be I. Now I will be multiplied with this one, I will multiply with this one, that will be B. So by the identifier IB will be your B. Then remaining are same. So AB whole inverse equal to A inverse. Now you multiply, left multiply B inverse. Then you multiply this side also B inverse, this side also B inverse. Then B inverse with this and B inverse with A inverse B. Now we apply the properties, associative properties here. What is the associative property? So B inverse included with B, then make a one bracket and remaining are same. So this is the apply with the associative properties here. So B inverse B. Next step, from B inverse B we apply the I inverse property. That inverse property B inverse B will be I. So you can see from the equation 2 in the beginning. Now we apply the identity properties, identity matrix with a matrix that will be the same matrix. So here you apply the identity properties. Identity properties. This is most important. So the identity property is that here you apply the I into this matrix, that will be this, and right hand side will be same. So this is apply the identity property. Identity properties. So we prove that AP whole inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. So you see the first matrix of here will be the second matrix, and second matrix will be the first matrix. This is important. In CBSE sometimes the A and B are the two example of matrices will be given, then you prove that this type of question may come in your examination. Thank you. So you all are requested to subscribe my channel, Gauraman Ghosh channel, which will help in the coming video to see and get the good mark in the examination. Thank you.